and welcome back to another video. Today we are at the Truro River. Lovely place. I think that's a rarity. I don't know for sure. Yeah, so we've got lots of birds. We've got lots of like Mediterranean gulls. That's all you see gull-wise here. And I'm also going to Wales, so stick with my channel. Yeah, I seriously don't know what you are. Yeah, it's like could be a Dunlin, I don't know. So yeah, so we're just gonna sit and see what we can see. Yeah, this is gonna be around like an 8-minute video, so grab some popcorn. Here at the Truro River, you get lots of new birds. There's a rarity over there, that's an American wagger, in the form of a lesser yellowlegs. We've got some birds here. Don't know, I think they're black-tailed godwits. He's got a worm in his mouth. They're all coming out very lucky. So if you are lucky here, you will sometimes get, all year round you'll get your Mediterranean gulls. If you're lucky here, you'll get cormorant, you'll get some cormorants, egrets and herons. Maybe you could get shovelers here in the form, maybe. I don't know how birds work. So yeah, there's a black thing up there in the form of something. I think it's a cormorant. Yeah, so I will be changing the channel's name to William Bird Adventures. So we'll be on some bird adventures throughout Cornwall, maybe the rest of the world and the rest of the UK. Yeah, so I'm also going to Canada. I'm going to Canada in 7 weeks. We might see some blue jays. But we are going in winter, so there won't be much. So yeah. There's a bug on me. Let me get it off. Yeah. So they've put a new fence in. I've got to I've got to swing round. Yeah. So there is a cormorant over here. Yeah, I'm just one of those, because I live in Cornwall, I live in Truro, so I always see like the waders and cormorants. Yeah, look, yeah, it's a cormorant. If I've missed any birds, please do let me know. And that will wrap up today's video. Please subscribe and like the video. Goodbye.